How to cancel Duolingo Plus subscription. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar and search for Duolingo. Now open up the second website. Now tap on three dots and enable desktop site. Now under your profile, you will find an option for three dots. Tap on it and click on settings. Now under subscription, you will find an option for cancel plan. Tap on it and proceed the Now tap on it and proceed the on-screen instructions to cancel your plan. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.